These are the ingredients you will need for the loaded cauliflower casserole. You're going to need a pot with some water, and I've already started putting the cauliflower in there, but you'll need a bag of cauliflower, one or two, however large you're going to make it. Some mild cheddar cheese, some sour cream, some cream cheese, seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and parsley. I finished putting the cauliflower in the water, and I'm going to turn that on to boil until it's tender. The oven is preheating, and we're going to get that up to 400. After it boils to a desired consistency, you're going to take it off the eye and drain it. Okay, guys, the cauliflower has been drained and it's back on the eye, just on a low heat. And for me, I only need a half a block of, because I'm only doing one bag. If you do more than one bag, you may need more. And you put the cream cheese down in there to mix it. And what you're doing now is you're just mixing this. And oh, guys, I forgot, one of the key ingredients is bacon bits. You can use turkey bacon bits, imitation bacon bits, or whatever, but you need some. Or you can make your own also. Go ahead and season it with pepper, garlic powder, and I just do a little sprinkle, a little tap of seasoning salt, because you have that cheese in. You're going to have cheese in there, and so it's really no need to use a lot. And you're just going to do a little cheese in the inside. Maybe a little bit more. A little parsley flakes. And be liberal with the bacon bits. And what you're going to do is mix this up pretty good. Now you can leave your cauliflower either in chunks, or you can smooth it all down if you want to. I leave mine kind of chunky. And then leave the eye on to kind of melt that, so the cream cheese can kind of melt down a lot easier. Is why you still have it on the heat. This is the consistency that I've kind of have mine to. Now you're going to put in the sour cream, and you put in as much as little as you like. Okay? You stir that up in there. And you're going to put that over in your baking dish. And spread it out pretty good. You're going to then top with another layer of bacon bits on the top. Top it with cheese. And it depends on how much cheese you like. You know, top it as you like. And sprinkle that with parsley. And you don't have to, because y'all know I love black pepper. I put a little black pepper on top of mine as well. This will go into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes to bake. And there it is, guys, out of the oven. Loaded cauliflower casserole. Try the recipe and let me know how you like it. It's really delicious.